Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're interested in seeing how I did this Kim Kardashian inspired glam fall-ish makeup look, then please keep on watching. Hi guys, so I saw this picture on Instagram and I was like, damn, this is real cute. I wonder if I can do it. So I was really inspired by Kim Kardashian and this look. I will definitely post a picture so that you can see it. So I'm starting off with the Morphe palette. I'm actually just using a very dark chocolate brown on the outer portion of my eye because I really wanted that part to be really dark and defined, and I feel like that is what really glams up a look, the dark and defined outer eye. I'm using the Juvia's Place palette with this very nice rich reddish orangish brownish color. I feel like this is the color that really defined the entire makeup look. This pop of orange was what really set the tone for this makeup look. So I'm really just popping it beside the dark brown. That way it can really make the eyes pop a lot more and really give it this nice fallish kind of vibes. So I'm heading back into my Morphe palette and I'm using this really pretty champagne color on the lid of my eye. I really wanted to focus this on the majority of my lid. I felt like the placement of this color is very important for it to be on the lid so that the eyes can definitely pop, so that all the colors can come together and look really, really nice. Yo, the makeup look here, I really surprised myself when it comes to the makeup look here. I had to go back into the reddish orangish brownish color because I felt like I lost some of it when I was putting on the champagne color. But there's no need to worry. All you have to do is just go back into the palette and brighten up what it is that you had put down before. So if you feel as if you had lost some of the color, just dip back in at the eyeshadow palette, girl. Nothing wrong with that. And make sure you brighten up all the colors and where you want to brighten up. And I felt like what really took this makeup look to the next level was putting that darker shade in the corner of my eye. Yeah. I don't know, it do something for my face. It really bring out the makeup look, and I was really, really, really surprised and impressed that that alone could have really bring out my eyes them so much. Yeah, I definitely have to try that makeup look here. It really look nice. Of course, I'm using my favorite eyeliner. This one is from Maybelline, and I'll definitely put a picture up. I'll put up the names of the things that I'm using so that you can use it as a reference. But I use this eyeliner every single time. I really love it. I'm using my favorite primer as usual, the Becca primer. I really love this primer so much. I feel like it really helps my face and my makeup to stay together and my foundation to stick to it like glue and my pores to be not so big. You know what I mean? So in this instance, I'm using, what that name? Milk of Magnesia on my face because it was gonna be a very long day and I really wanted this makeup to really stand up firm for my face, and it really helped, you know. Definitely, if you want to make your makeup stand up firm, that two combo will really assist you. Of course, I'm jumping in with my favorite foundation. This foundation is from Maybelline Superstay in the color 362 Truffle. This is my everyday foundation. I use it a majority of the time for my makeup looks. I really like this foundation, but I'm gonna be branching out into some different foundations to see what is really out there. I can't really stay in my box like that. I really need to venture out and see what else is there. Right now I'm using the concealer, the Juvia's Place concealer. I really like this concealer. I like this concealer. It can go on. And I'm using the corresponding contour. The concealer is in the shade 13 and the contour is in the shade 3. it's not bad, you know. For what it is, it can work, and I liked it for that. So I'm really just taking my time to blend everything out. I want everything to be super blended, and I feel like that is the trick for makeup. You definitely have to ensure that everything is blended for it to look good. Don't make sure nothing look patchy. Make sure everything just blend out and look really nice. I'm setting my under eyes with my airspun powder. I really like this powder. As you know, a lot of persons use it, so you must know by this. No flashback, no nothing. It's a really nice fine powder, and I really like this powder. So I'm using that to set my highlight color concealer. Next, I'm using my MAC Studio Finish powder to set the rest of my face. I have to make sure that everything blend out and look nice and proper. Blend out everything on your face so that it can come together and look good. I'm applying one of my favorite everyday blush. It's by Milani, the Bronze Baked Blush. I really like that blush. And my everyday highlighter, this is from Black Radiance. I use this highlighter for everyday makeup looks, and I really like it. It does the job. I'm setting my face with my MAC Studio Fix. This is my favorite face setting spray, but I'm gonna branch out and see what else is on the market, you know what I mean? And I can't believe I forgot to put the eyeshadow underneath my eye. So right now I'm lining my eyes, and I'm using the burnt orange kind of color to define underneath my eyes, so that the whole of my eyes can look complete and everything can look uniform and come together and look really nice. So I'm applying some mascara. I think this is a telescopic mascara from L'Oreal. My favorite everyday lipstick, this is a Milani lipstick. I really like this lipstick. It is really like a subtle pinky kind of color, and I really like it for my skin tone. And I'm just lining that with a brown pencil just to give it a more defined look. And you're also seeing me add some lip gloss to the look, because I wanted a really glossy lip for this look, because I think that's what Kim Kardashian had in her picture. So this is the end product. I really hope you like it, and let me know if you think I did that. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Like the video, comment. Let me know your favorite parts. As always, big up yourself, enough love. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.